I sent $10,000 on my Bybit account using Bitcoin flashing software. I show exactly how to make this transaction and how you can make $700 with the software today. Watch this video till the end, I show everything step by step. For this transaction, I will use one of the most reliable software, the FCB 10.E. First step is to import the configuration. Click on Import config and choose this exact file. Make sure the size is 544 MB. After that, click Select Transaction Type and choose Server Partition file. Here you input the Binance server file. Make sure it's exactly 9.77 GB. Now we need to paste our Bitcoin address. I will send Flash to Bybit, but you can send it to Trust Wallet, Binance or any other wallet. Now you paste it in this field and click Scan Address. After this you will choose the amount. I will send 0.15 Bitcoin. Then put checkmark on transaction fee and type max in the field below. Turn on the maximum CPU and sucks by VIP 72. Next you should open the Flash Coin installer and change the settings. All info on how to set up software and make money you will find in Secure Usage Guide, which you can get for free in our Telegram channel Play Deals. When it's done, make sure you have checkmark on 100% confirmation. After that, click Broadcast Transaction. In Create Multiple Transaction field, type 2, No. For transaction speed, type Fast. Now just wait. When it's done, you'll see the transaction successfully completed and the balance has changed. Now let's check on the Bybit. It takes a couple minutes to arrive, so let's wait and refresh the page. It took about 7 minutes and Bitcoin arrived to my balance. Now let's check on transaction history. As we can see, 0.15 Bitcoin just arrived to my wallet. Now let's check Bybit app on my phone. As we can see, Flash Bitcoin successfully arrived to my balance. If you wanna make same transaction yourself, you need to check our Telegram channel Play Deals. Our customers already making $700 a day using methods from our special guide. Friendly admin will provide you software with all required files and personally help you with settings and setup step by step. Click the link in the description, I'll be glad to see you there. Have a good day, your admin Play.